Hiya! Meg here with some advice to help your office plan, prepare, and be ready in case of emergency. Resolve to be ready, and that means more than just having a handy-dandy first aid kit around, even though that's important too. Here's a few things you can do to prepare for severe weather, natural disasters, zombie apocalypses, and other unforeseen big and small disasters. Number 1. Develop a site-specific emergency plan and assign a point person or committee. Number 2. Inspect your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems on a regular basis. Number 3. Have regular meetings or information provided to employees about office preparedness. And finally, number 4. Stay informed and keep your kits and supplies well equipped. Get even more info, tips, and tools at ready.gov. September may be National Preparedness Month, but it's never too late or too early to get organized. So till next time, I'm Meg saying, don't wait, communicate. Make your emergency plan today.